Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter and it is finished. Jungle Safari, Wild Animal, little bit of everything journal. So let's have a little flip through. So we have the cover. Do we make it together? We'll decorate it together. So we have our inside pocket with the large journaling card. So I think the first signature was practically done on camera. And the second signature is all going to be new to you. Little page. I just added something to every page, I think. Stickers, stencils. So I had this gorgeous postcard, that's what it is. These are the Puffin book covers. And then a tag. Oops, went too many pages there. Is that right? Yes. No, there was nothing on that page because that page spoke for itself. Oh, we're in free. Yes, we are. Then our hidden paper clips with a large journal card made from the packaging of the puffy stickers. Was it the puffy stickers? I think it was the puffy stickers. And then envelope I already had. I just decorated it up. And then pretty sure I folded some paper in there. Beautiful page. Cute little cheeky monkey. A little corner tuck with a, what was it, a larger tag but not a large tag. Another altered paper clip, and this was, you'll have seen this video. This was originally an altered pocket paper clip, but I salvaged it and it's now a journal card. The other side, another journal card, and these are what I made with the scraps, the things that were left over. Paper clip, and another one of those. Is that the Puffin one as well? Yeah. Which book was that from? Make Your Own Zoo. Pocket. We have a tag. I put a wax seal on that one. And how did I? No, that was already a made tag. I was like, I didn't remember making that tag. That's because it was already made. Oh no, this one's a little bit wedged. There we are. It's that little bead. Little flat back pearl. So yeah, the other piece that was salvaged. I just love these stickers. And then we have this, which just flips out. Got a little die cut negative there. Love this, my whole page pocket with a large journal card. And that was actually the negative from that. So I thought that was clever. Those were the post-it notes. Again, post-it notes. So we have a double pocket here. Quite a simple tag really, but it works. And then that was the die cut negative from the front. Like that. Just slides in there. And then went to the second signature. Oh, sorry, I have such an itchy arm. Love these stickers. It's a little fabric pocket, another tag, and a little double journal card. Just love those little post-it notes. I think this is just stuck on completely, yep, and it's just got a sheet of paper in there. Ah, it just went. Just a two-handed job. and there was like little glue marks all over it, so I just stuck a load of stickers on to try and distract from that. This is the Hippo Designs inspired pocket. So I've got a double journal card there, and a little fabric tag there, and of course you've got room to stick something behind that if you so wish. A little for you card. I just thought that was so cute. And it's going to be a nice little cute surprise when you pull it out. Again, made from the scraps. And then I put in a little animals Jaws card. This is from Emily Tabbit. There's all the info there. I must have bought something. And oops, I'll take that paper clip off to get that out. Another double journal card. Yeah, that was something on that side. So hang on, we'll just stick this back on. Another one of those puffin postcards. Just the colours went so well. And the fact that I had animals on it. Little fabric flip to reveal a tiny little strip of note paper. It's done a bit wonky, but it's characterful. And then, oh, we have some glue residue. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. But in here we have a little flippy outie and a large tag. I don't know if we made those in the leftovers video. I don't remember. It's been a while. More little stickers. This was just like a little gift bag, and I've just stuck it on with double-sided tape using my ATG gun, and then inside there's just some plain paper for writing on. But I've stuck it on so it can be a double pocket, so you can put something behind it if they would like to do that. And then the last pages, and finally another large journal card. And on the back I have my Canny Crafter wax seal. I just heard something really weird there, did you? And again, I'll showcase the spine because I like the spine. So this is one of my favourite journals. I had so much fun making it. I actually feel like I did an alright job on it. The spine to the signature seems to be good. And it's a little bit poofy, and all those poofy stickers means maybe there's not that much room for expansion, but you know what, useless we can't have a gator mouth. Yeah, I just had so much fun, and I learned something new making the paper clips with the pockets. Love doing that, and I felt like it just went really easy, and I just had so much fun making it. Now I will say this, second signature, there's a bit of movement and I don't know why, but I don't think it's too shabby. So there was that, and I love it. And still don't know what I'm doing with these journals. Yeah, this is definitely like in my top 5 of journals that I've made. So I'm going to open it there because sloth, spirit animal and all that. So thank you so much for joining me for this flip through, and I will see you next time.